Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Oreo mousse preparation. Take the mixing jar. Add 15 Oreo biscuits. Grind it till it gets a sandy texture. 3 tablespoons melted butter. Grind it again for few seconds. Keep it aside. 1 cup fresh cream. First whip the cream at slow speed, then gradually increase the speed. Add 2 tablespoons condensed milk. Whip it until soft peaks are seen. Now add the Oreo mixture. Mix it well. Add the mousse to piping bag. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed Oreo biscuits in a glass. Add the Oreo mousse into the glass. Spread the mousse evenly. Oreo mousse is ready. Refrigerate for 2 hours and enjoy. Oreo balls preparation. Take the mixing jar. Add 15 Oreo biscuits. Grind it till it gets a sandy texture. 3 tablespoons melted butter. Grind it again for few seconds. Add the grinded mixture into the bowl. 2 tablespoons condensed milk. 1 cup grated coconut. 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. 2 tablespoons white chocolate chips. Mix everything nicely. Make lemon-sized balls. Oreo balls are ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.